Have you ever wondered how we can use computer science to solve biological problems? If so, let us embark on a journey to explore the intriguing world of bioinformatics together. Bioinformatics is a fascinating field that sits at the intersection of biology and computer science. It's like two worlds colliding to create something extraordinary. Just as an artist uses a palette of colors to paint a masterpiece, scientists use bioinformatics as their palette to paint a comprehensive picture of life's complex processes. In essence, bioinformatics uses computational tools, like algorithms and statistical models, to analyze and interpret biological data. This data can range from genetic sequences to protein structures, from metabolic pathways to evolutionary relationships. It's like trying to solve the world's most complex jigsaw puzzle, with the pieces being the different elements of life. Imagine you're a detective, and you've been handed a case that involves understanding how a certain gene influences a specific disease. Traditional methods might take years, even decades, to crack this case. But with bioinformatics, you have a powerful tool at your disposal that can help speed up this process. You can use algorithms to compare the gene sequence with those of other genes, helping you to identify patterns and make connections much faster. But bioinformatics is not just about analyzing data. It's also about predicting outcomes. For instance, by studying the structure of a protein, bioinformatics can predict how that protein might interact with a drug, or how changes in its structure could lead to disease. This predictive power is invaluable in the race to develop new treatments and cures. So, bioinformatics is like a bridge that connects the worlds of biology and computer science. It's a bridge that allows us to traverse the vast landscape of biological data, uncovering insights and making predictions that help us understand life at a deeper level. And as we continue this journey, who knows what fascinating discoveries lie ahead? But how does bioinformatics actually work? I'm glad you asked. At its core, bioinformatics is a fascinating blend of biology and computer science. Imagine our biological systems as vast, complex databases. The data stored within them include the genetic codes that define our very existence. But deciphering this data is no easy task. This is where bioinformatics comes in. It uses the power of computer science to sift through this biological data, making sense of the intricate patterns and connections hidden within. Bioinformatics relies on algorithms and statistical techniques. Algorithms are like recipes, providing step-by-step instructions to solve a problem or achieve a certain goal. In bioinformatics, algorithms are used to analyze biological data, such as DNA sequences, to find patterns and make predictions. For example, one such algorithm, known as BLAST, compares a genetic sequence to a database of known sequences. It identifies similar sequences, providing insights into the function and evolutionary history of the sequence in question. Statistical techniques, on the other hand, are used to confirm the findings of these algorithms. They help validate the patterns and connections identified, ensuring that the results are not just random occurrences, but meaningful insights. One of the key goals of bioinformatics is understanding the genetic code. This code, made up of sequences of DNA, holds the instructions for creating every protein in our bodies. By analyzing this code, bioinformatics can predict the structure of these proteins. This is crucial because the structure of a protein determines its function. Through this, bioinformatics can help us understand how our bodies work and how diseases can alter these functions. In a nutshell, bioinformatics is like a detective, using the tools of computer science to decipher the clues left in our biological data. It's like cracking a code, but instead of leading to a hidden treasure, it leads to a deeper understanding of life itself. Thus, bioinformatics uses tools of computer science to decode the mysteries of biology. Now you might be wondering, what can we do with bioinformatics? Well, it's a fair question, and the answer is quite a lot. Bioinformatics is a versatile field with applications spanning across a multitude of scientific disciplines. Let's start with genomics. Genomics is the study of an organism's entire genetic makeup. With the help of bioinformatics, scientists are able to sequence and analyze genomes. This allows them to identify genetic variations and mutations that could be responsible for certain diseases. Then there's proteomics, the study of proteins. Proteins are complex molecules that perform a vast array of functions in our bodies. Bioinformatics aids in the identification, characterization, and quantification of proteins, providing critical insights into the cellular and molecular mechanisms of life. But that's not all. Bioinformatics is a key player in drug discovery too. It aids in the identification of new drug targets and the design of drugs that can specifically interact with these targets. This increases the effectiveness of the drugs while reducing their side effects. And then there's personalized medicine. This is where medicine gets personal, literally. By analyzing a person's genetic information, bioinformatics can help tailor medical treatments to the individual patient. This means that doctors can provide the right treatment for the right patient at the right time. And did you know that bioinformatics can also predict disease? Yes, you heard that right. By identifying patterns and trends in large datasets, bioinformatics can predict the likelihood of disease outbreaks, helping us to prepare and respond more effectively. So, as you can see, bioinformatics isn't just about crunching numbers or analyzing data. It's about using that data to make real-world, life-changing discoveries. It's about understanding the very fabric of life itself, from our DNA to the proteins that make us who we are. Bioinformatics, therefore, has endless applications, from understanding diseases to developing new drugs. It's a field that's shaping our future, and the possibilities are truly limitless. So the next time someone asks you what you can do with bioinformatics, you'll have quite a lot to say. So where do we see bioinformatics in our daily lives? Well, the answer to that, my friends, is everywhere. Let's take a trip down memory lane to the turn of the 21st century. Remember the Human Genome Project? This landmark project was the first of its kind to map the entire human genome. It's akin to having a complete guidebook to what makes us, us. And guess what? Bioinformatics played a pivotal role in this project. It helped decipher the massive amount of data generated, turning it into valuable insights about our genetic blueprint. Then there's cancer research, a field where bioinformatics has been making waves. With the help of bioinformatics, researchers are able to explore the genetic mutations that lead to cancer. This isn't just academic curiosity, it's a life-saving endeavor. By understanding these genetic changes, scientists can develop targeted therapies that specifically attack cancer cells, leaving healthy cells unharmed. That's the power of bioinformatics in action. And we couldn't possibly overlook the role of bioinformatics in the recent global crisis, the COVID-19 pandemic. The rapid development of vaccines was a scientific triumph, and bioinformatics was right there in the thick of it. By analyzing the genetic sequence of the virus, scientists were able to identify potential targets for the vaccine. This wouldn't have been possible without the analytical prowess of bioinformatics. Now, these are just a few examples. Bioinformatics is at work in countless other areas, from agriculture to forensics, and it's making a tangible impact on our lives. Bioinformatics isn't just about the big projects, though. It's in the smaller, less noticeable changes, too. It's in the development of personalized medicine, the prediction of disease outbreaks, and even in the creation of more sustainable crops. So when you ask where we see bioinformatics in our daily lives, well, it's quite literally everywhere, from the food we eat to the medicines we take, and even in the air we breathe. Bioinformatics is not just a field of study, it's a tool that is actively shaping our world. What does the future hold for bioinformatics? This is a question that sparks a myriad of possibilities. Imagine a world where diseases are predicted before they even occur, and treatments are tailored to the individual's unique genetic makeup. This is the future that bioinformatics can bring us. Bioinformatics is a rapidly evolving field, and with advancements in technology, it's set to become even more integral to our understanding of biology. The processing power of computers is increasing exponentially, allowing us to analyze and interpret vast quantities of biological data at unprecedented speeds. This means we can delve deeper into the secrets of our DNA, uncovering new insights into the genetic basis of disease and health. The future of bioinformatics also lies in the integration of different types of data. By combining genomic data with other biological and environmental data, we can gain a more holistic understanding of the complex interactions that shape our health and disease processes. One of the most exciting prospects of bioinformatics is its potential to revolutionize personalized medicine. By analyzing an individual's genetic data, we can predict their susceptibility to certain diseases and even tailor treatments to their unique genetic profile. This means that in the future, medicine could be personalized to the individual, increasing the effectiveness of treatments and reducing the risk of adverse side effects. Moreover, bioinformatics is set to play a key role in the development of more accurate disease prediction models. By analyzing patterns in large data sets, we can identify early warning signs of disease, allowing for earlier intervention and potentially saving lives. But the future of bioinformatics is not just about disease prediction and personalized medicine. It's also about enhancing our understanding of the fundamental processes of life. By deciphering the complexities of our DNA, we can gain new insights into evolution, development, and the intricate workings of our cells. The future of bioinformatics is bright, and it promises to revolutionize how we understand and interact with biology. This is a future that is exciting, dynamic, and full of potential. And it's a future that is closer than we might think. To sum up, why is bioinformatics so important? As we journey through the world of bioinformatics, we realize the importance it holds in the modern world of biology and medicine. Let's recap some of the key points discussed in our exploration. Bioinformatics, at its core, is a fusion of biology and computer science. It empowers us to make sense of vast amounts of biological data and extract meaningful insights. It's like a compass guiding us through the labyrinth of genetic codes, helping us understand the fundamental building blocks of life. Delving deeper into the genetic code, bioinformatics plays a pivotal role in sequencing genomes and understanding their functions. It's like a decoder ring, unscrambling the genetic code to reveal secrets about our health, our ancestry, and our very existence. The power of bioinformatics isn't limited to understanding the genetic code. It also has an enormous impact on the prediction of protein structure. Proteins are the workhorses of our bodies, and understanding their structure allows us to comprehend how they function, interact, and sometimes malfunction. This knowledge can be invaluable in the diagnosis and treatment of a myriad of diseases. Moreover, bioinformatics is instrumental in the development of new drugs. By analyzing the structure and function of target molecules, bioinformatics can help identify potential drug candidates. This accelerates the drug discovery process, saving valuable time and resources, and bringing life-saving drugs to the market faster. In the era of personalized medicine, bioinformatics is crucial in tailoring treatments to individual patients. It allows us to understand the genetic variations that make each person unique, leading to more effective and safer treatments. Bioinformatics is the lighthouse that illuminates the vast ocean of biological data. It's the compass that guides us through the maze of genetic codes. It's the decoder ring that unlocks the secrets of protein structures. It's the key to personalized medicine and faster drug discovery. In a nutshell, bioinformatics is the key to unlocking the secrets of biology with the power of computer science. Are you ready to dive into the world of bioinformatics? This fascinating field is just waiting to be explored. If you're captivated by the intersection of biology and information technology, there are countless resources available to help you learn more. You can look for online courses, read up on the latest research, and even join bioinformatics communities on social media. It's important to remember that everyone's learning journey is unique. You don't have to understand everything all at once. Just take it one concept at a time. If you ever feel lost or confused, don't hesitate to ask questions. There's a whole community of learners and experts out there who are ready to help. Why not start a conversation right here? If you have any thoughts or questions about bioinformatics, feel free to leave a comment. We'd love to hear what you think. Remember, every journey starts with a single step. Your journey into bioinformatics could be the start of something amazing. Until next time, stay curious.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.